Chandler, there's a car. It's going to be in the woods. Ma'am, get out of the car! Come on, take your seatbelt off. Take your seatbelt off.
Are there deputies on
Take your
the
seatbelt off.
vehicle that's on fire?
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car. Take your seatbelt off. Come on. Ma'am, take your seatbelt off.
I was just getting ready to ask if we needed to dispatch the fire department.
Take your seatbelt off.
Can you give us an exact address?
Take your seatbelt off, ma'am. Take your seatbelt off. Come on, give me your hands. Give me your hands. Come on. Get out of the car. Come on. Jesus Christ. Hey, is there anybody else in the car? Man, is there anybody in the car? No.
Central Minor Fire Department needs just going out Highway 46 East and that South Sheriff Return.
I don't think there's anybody else in it. Will you help me tow her away from this car? Come on. Get up. Yeah, I think so.